going to make some butter from this heavy whipping cream. We put it into some pint jars. As you can see, it took 4 pint jars with that 1 box of whipping cream. And the children will be making butter out of it. When we get it made, we will show it to you.
Okay. Can we jump? Pass it on.
Hey Tyson, your baby.
It's holding my head. Look, it's hard now. See inside of it now. Yeah. Look inside. Look inside to see what it looks like. I want to see what it looks inside. We have 2 dishes. Yeah, but the other fish comes to it. Whoa!
This is our finished butter. We did not add any salt or anything to it, so it is just fresh, plain butter. And the kids are fixing to put some on a piece of bread and try it. And it also goes real good, I think the kids will find, if they put some strawberry jam on top of it. So we're going to enjoy a piece of bread with some homemade butter on their bread. Then we're going to get some jelly. They're all going to take a bite of this first before they put jelly on top of it, so that they'll know what it exactly tastes like before they put jelly on top. Some more are on this side that's tasting it. Does it taste good, Alana?
I haven't tasted. Yeah,
You want to taste yours, Jaden?
Yeah.
Yes, I want to.
Plain.
Good,
It is
huh?
plain, but it's